Here are the installation steps. Step 1. Wash your hands. Find a clean table. Step 2. Open the packaging of WeePro anti-fog visor insert. You will get one insert, one piece of fabric, and an instruction carton paper. Step 3. Clean up your helmet visor with the soft fabric. Step 4. Remove the positioning mask with a red tag. Step 5. Install the positioning mask on the outside of your visor. You can adjust the position freely until it is on a comfortable position. The cross should be in the middle of the visor. Step 6. Press the insert with your two hands to fit the visor. Match the insert's middle cross with the cross on the positioning mask. Step 7. Use one hand to fix the visor. Use another hand's finger with fabric to press around to seal the visor insert neatly. Step 8. Tear off the mask with the blue tag. Step 9. Tear off the outside positioning mask with the red tag. That's it.